Now, the Amazon original web series Tandav is now in the middle of a storm. The political thriller is accused of mocking Hindu gods and hurting Hindu sentiments. BJP and a section of Twitterati have objected to a particular scene wherein actor Muhammad Zishan Ayub appearing as Lord Shiva. BJP MLA Ram Kadam also targeted Bollywood, asking why such movies are being made. He also slammed Saif Ali Khan for being part of such web series and demanded an apology on that. BJP MP Manoj Kotak, meanwhile, has written a letter to the INB Minister Prakash Javadekar demanding action against the release of the series.
फिल्म जगत के लोग कान खोल करके सुन लें। यदि इस प्रकार का हमारे देवी देवताओं का जो हमारी श्रद्धा है, आस्था है, उनका यदि अपमान करने का भी दुस्साहस करेंगे तो उन्हें भरे चौक में जूते से मारना होगा। तांडव वेब सीरीज तुरंत बहिष्कृत की जाए और इसके निर्माता, निर्देशक और अभिनेता हाथ जोड़कर, घुटने टेक कर हिंदू समाज की माफी मांगे।
प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी जो हमारे इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्टर हैं, उनसे डिमांड की और उनको पत्र भी लिखा कि इस तरह की वेब सीरीज के ऊपर तत्काल प्रतिबंध लगाया जाए। इन कलाकारों ने और इसके प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर ने जिस तरह के समाज को आहत किया है, तो उन्होंने माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
Let's quickly cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay joining us for more details on that. Pankaj, take us through what's really the controversy around Tandav, the web series, particularly few scenes that are objectionable. Take us through the details, and we understand that the makers have been held.
So Nabila, what we are understanding right now is the controversy has arisen with regards to certain scenes that have been depicted in this web series, which has recently been released. A prominent actor of this web series is seen on the stage appearing as Lord Shiva, and he is uttering some dialogues which a certain section of the society has not liked and has linked to as hate speech, and also saying that it is creating divide and also disrespect to the Hindu gods and goddesses. And we saw how till yesterday the hashtag of boycott Tandav was trending on social media. And interestingly, as far as the entertainment industry is concerned, it seems to be divided right now, because there are many prominent actors who are praising the actors for their acting and the story play. But on the other hand, there are many in the film industry itself who are saying that such sort of criticism, such sort of dialogues are not really warranted. But then, this being set aside, the entire controversy, Nabila, has now taken a political turn. Now the BJP has stepped into it. Prominent BJP leader in Mumbai, Ram Kadam, today approached the Ghatkopar police station. He lodged a complaint, and he has said, one, BJP boycotts this series, and at the same time they have requested the other people also to boycott Tandav. At the same time, in a very scathing remark, Ram Kadam has said that Saif Ali Khan is yet again being seen in a series which seems to be targeting Hindu gods and goddesses. At the same time, he has demanded an apology from the director, the producer and the actor. And on the other hand, you have the member of parliament from Mumbai Northeast, Manoj Kotak, who's approached Prakash Javadekar as well, and he said he's indicated that they are now moving in a particular direction where the OTT platforms could be regulated as well. But the controversy is not dying down, because every other hour you have one or the other prominent face, either from the political field or from the entertainment world, coming out with their statements and sentiments with regards to this very particular controversy. But the fact remains, right now it is the politics which is heating up, and the BJP says that in the days to come they are going to intensify their agitation, and for now they have called for boycotting of the series.
Right, so unless and until that scene is stripped off from the series, the BJP is going to continue their protests. That's what we gather. And they've also written to the INB Minister Prakash Javadekar to try and see if they can ban this particular scene from the series, if not boycott the series altogether. Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us. Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.